How to use voice assistant to answer a phone call in Samsung Galaxy S24 FE. To use this feature, first of all make sure enable this on your device. Open the app drawer on your Samsung device. Tap the phone app. Tap the three vertical dots at the top right. Tap the settings. At the top you can see the call assist section. Tap on a text call, first option. Now make sure toggle on this option. Answer call without saying a word. Here you can select the language for a call. You can see the list of available download language also on your device. So you need to download this language if you want to use specific language on your device. Also set the voice speech rate slow or fast. Also set quick response for urgent, call you later, etc. Let's see how it works. Now I make a phone call with another number on my device and see how it works. Now whenever you receive call, first of all tap on the call assist option on your device. Now tap on the text call. Tap the text call.
Hi, I'm using a voice assistant to convert voice to text and
Now you
respond
can
to
see
you.
automatically
If
response.
you want to continue, please tell me why you're calling.
How are you?
Is this urgent?
Yes, it is urgent.
Could you repeat that, please?
I want to talk with someone.
So now you can see you can easily reply without any word. Just tap on the available option on your phone or Google voice assistant easily convert your message or phone call automatically. You can also transfer this to call. Tap on this icon and switch to voice call on your device. So quite easy to use a call assist feature on your Samsung S24 FE and other Samsung device to automatically translate call using voice. That's it. If you like it, share it.